Welcome. Today, we're going to install WordPress. The old-fashioned way, we're going to download it and install it ourselves into our local PHP server, which I downloaded from the internet called XAMPP, XAMPP. And it creates a PHP server right there locally. That's what WordPress is written in. And I'm going to be using a screen reader because I can't see anything anymore. All right, let's see.
Use virtual PC cursor off. Use virtual PC cursor on.
Okay, I got the virtual PC cursor on. I'm going to first read the address.
Address is https://wordpress.org/.
You see, I'm wordpress.org. Okay, that's the website you want to navigate to. You want to enter it into your address bar. Control-L usually for doing that, but I don't need to do that because I've already went here. Okay, now we're going to download this.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Skip to content. 1 of 54. To move to items, use the arrow keys. Links list. Display. Sort.
I pulled up the links list so we can find it. Now I'm going to press D for download.
D. Documentation. D. Discover more sites built with D. Download and install WordPress. 27 of 54. https://wordpress.
They are. It's a third one. Now I'm going to press enter on that. Download and install.
Enter. Page has 9 regions, 9 headings, and 61 links.
Okay.
Top dash tier.
And that brought me to another page, and I'm going to go ahead and go to that download.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Visit DreamHost. 25 of 61. To D. Download.tar.gz. 29 of 61. D. Download counter. 39. D. Donate. 40. D. Developers. D. Documentation. D. Download and install. 20 of 61.
Okay, that's the one I want. That download and install. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the link. I'm not going to press it because I want to show you what it says right there.
Alt-M. Download vertical bar WordPress.org.
Okay. I'm going to go up a couple lines.
But sometimes check dash same page. There are several ways to get WordPress. Use the software that powers over 42% of the web. Heading article. Heading level 1 get WordPress. Use the software that powers over 42% of the web. Okay. There are several ways to get WordPress. The easiest is same page link through a hosting provider.
Yep. It's a hosting provider, but as developers, we kind of sometimes need to have a duplicate here locally so we can play around with it.
But sometimes tech dash savvy folks prefer to visited same page link download and install.
And that's me. And this is what I'm going to show you how to do.
Themselves. Either way, you can use your WordPress through a web browser and with same page link or mobile apps. Heading level 2 inspiration strikes any same page link or mobile apps.
Okay.
Either way, you can themselves. Download and install same page link visited.
There we go. I'm going to click. And what I would do is I click that link and then it'll start the download process. I've already downloaded and I don't want you guys to sit through that. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the download folder.
Alt F4, main window.
All right. I want to do Windows E and open this up.
Windows E. File Explorer. Items view list box. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Items view multi-select. Tree view. Level 0. Quick access open 11 items.
Yeah.
To move through or expand item.
I just did a shift tab so I could get to the tree. That's my quick access bar.
Level 1. Downloads left parent. Enter.
Now I'm going to do the tab to go back to the main.
Items view multi-select list box. Yesterday expand.
And there we are. Now I got that. Now I downloaded this file yesterday.
WordPress-5, 8, 1.zip, 2 of 10.
Okay. Now I have Windows Explorer set at as my default for the zip folder type. You may not. So I just find Windows Explorer easier to navigate these zip files. So what I do is, but just to show you guys how you can do it still, even if you've got other programs installed that go there, you can just simply hit the application key or shift F10.
Applications, context menu. To navigate, press up or down arrow. O, open, O.
I press H.
H, open with submenu. H, 7-zip file manager. 7.
That gives the options for what I can choose, open with. Okay. And I'm going to go down to Windows Explorer.
VLC Media Player. V.
You see it?
7-zip file manager.
7.zip.
VLC Media Player. Windows Explorer. W.
Now Windows Explorer. That's the one I want.
Enter. Leaving menus. Downloads. Items view multi-select list box. Yesterday expanded. WordPress-5, 8, 1.zip, 10/21/2021 12:03 p.m. Compress left paren zip right paren folder 16,109 kilobytes. 2 of 10. Faster.
Okay. Now I'm into this website and I can see it.
Not selected WordPress. File folder 9/9/2021 2:20 a.m. 1 of 1. To move
See,
to an item, press the arrow
it's
keys.
got a subfolder in here. And I can even go farther into it, see what's inside this WordPress folder. This is a folder inside the zip file right now.
Enter.
And I'll show you what's here.
WordPress. Enter. WP-admin. WP-content. WP-includes 3 of 19.
You see, it's got 3 different folders in there: WP include, WP content, and WP admin.
WP-content.
That
2
is
of 19.
definitely WordPress. Okay. So I'm going to back up one more.
Alt left arrow. Explorer pane. Unavailable.
And I'll press insert tab so we can hear what folder I'm on, because it should be WordPress.
WordPress. File folder 9/9/2021 2:20 a.m.
And remember, this is inside the zip folder. So the first thing I do is I like to pull them out of the zip folder right away. So I'll go.
Copied selection to clipboard.
That's all you gotta do is copy it. Now I'll go ahead and I'll open up where I like to put it. I like to put it in a temporary location where I can store it. And then I can use it to create a bunch of websites.
Control Windows right arrow. Desktop 4. Desktop. Folder view list view. Not.
Now in this desktop, I'll go ahead.
Windows E. File Explorer.
Open another Windows Explorer. I'm going to do a Control L.
Control L. Address edit combo. Quick access. To set the D. Colon. Backslash. Enter. Items view list box. T. Temp. 4 of 6.
See, I got inside a temp folder.
Shell folder view. Item WordPress. 2 of 3. Audio. 1 of 3.
See,
WordPress. 2 of 3.
now there's my WordPress temporary files that I keep over here.
Enter. D colon backslash temp backslash WordPress. Advanced dash custom dash fields. 5.8. 1 of 6.
See, it's a 5.8. That's the version of WordPress that I have. I've already created a folder for it. And you'll notice I put some plugins here too.
Advanced dash custom dash field. All dash and dash 1 dash WP. Custom dash post dash type dash UI. 4 of 6. All dash 5.
These are plugins that I like to install. Now I've already.
Advanced dash 5.8. 1 of 6.
I go underneath 5.8.
Enter. Shell folder view. Items view multi-select list box. Not selected WordPress. 10/21/2.
Yeah, see.
WordPress.
Now this is the WordPress folder, but I'd already copied it into this. So I did that a while back. And I keep this folder here. Now I'll show you what I do, because this is going to be my default installation. So I like mine configured a certain way when I do it. So here.
Enter. D colon backslash temp backslash WP dash content. 2 of 20. Enter. Shell folder view. Items view multi-select list box. Not select.
And if you know anything about WordPress, the WP content file is the main place that we all play in. WP admin is for administration stuff. Okay. We usually don't mess with that. You just go straight in the WP content. Okay.
Themes. 2 of 3.
Now there's the themes. These are their default themes that they usually have. I just leave it alone.
Enter. Shell folder view. Items view multi-select list box. Not selected 2019.
See, they got 2019. They put
2020. 2 of 4. 2020 own. 3 of 4. Index.php. 2020 own. 2020. 2 of 4.
You see, that's their default
Up left
themes
arrow. D colon back.
that WordPress will come for with every installation. Okay.
Plugins. 1 of 3.
Now plugins folder, they have only one default plugin. Now I've already copied a couple in here. You'll see.
Enter. D colon backslash temp backslash WordPress.
Okay.
Akismet. 2 of 5.
Akismet is the default plugin that they send you. It's an anti-spam, malware thing. It tries to help protect you. Okay. And
Advanced dash custom dash fields. 1 of.
now I use the advanced custom fields plugin. I love it. ACF. And it allows you to do things, make changes and stuff when you're creating stuff. All right. Now let's go down.
Akismet. 2. All dash and dash 1 dash WP dash migrate.
Now this is all-in-one WP migration. A very, very handy plugin. It allows you to basically take an existing website, back it up into a nice, neat little package. And then from there, you can upload that package into another website, and it will overwrite that website, that WordPress website, and put the website in this package there. So it acts as a backup, but also you can migrate it to another location. So what I do is I like to download my website on the internet and bring it down and start playing with it here locally and doing all kinds of crazy things to it. Yeah, and then I don't have no fear of trashing the system. And then I get to test it as I bring it up. Excuse me. Okay. Now that's what my plugins is, and I want that as a default whenever I create one.
Alt left arrow. Items view list box. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Items view multi-select. Alt left arrow. D:\temp /WordPress /5.8 /WordPress. Items view list box. WP content. 2 of 20.
Okay.
Left arrow. Items view list.
Now, as you see, this is how I get it, and I got it set up here. Now, this is the end of part 1 of the 3-part series of all we did here was download WordPress, and we put it into a folder, which we're going to use it as a template to copy and create multiple websites. So I'll see you on the next video. Be sure you click like and subscribe. It allows other people to find my videos and let the blind community learn. And we all could use a little hand and a help and show little tricks of the trade and stuff that I have learned that work for me. And hopefully that you'll find them handy for yourself. All right, till the next video.